Welcome to But How Do I Find It? An Introduction to Using the PAC Catalog. Step 1. Accessing the Catalog. In order to access the PAC Catalog, you first need to go to hcpss.me. Once there, scroll down, and in the bottom right-hand corner you'll see the icon for the PAC Catalog. Click on it, and it will take you to the PAC homepage. Click on Interactive Catalog for middle schoolers. You will then be taken to the main search page. This main page also includes Black Eyed Susan selections, Battle of the Book selections, and a number of graphic novels you might be interested in. Step 2. Searching. You actually have two options when searching. Option 1 is known as a keyword search. A keyword search, which will give you a lot of results, is a good place to start if you aren't entirely sure what you're looking for. It will require a bit of digging, though, through all the results you'll receive. Option 2 is a subject search. A subject search is based on the Dewey Decimal or Library of Congress subject headings. This search is more focused and therefore will give you fewer results. However, the results will probably be more useful than a keyword search if you already have a specific topic in mind. Let's start by trying option 1, the keyword search. From the PAC search main page, you'll need to enter a keyword here in the bar on the top. Let's say that I have a project I'm doing on Greek mythology, so I enter Greek myths and click search. And boom, I get 336 results. How do I begin to narrow these results though? One easy way is by picking a specific format. For our example, I'll go with books. And suddenly I'm down to 261 options. Scrolling through, I find an option that interests me. I click on it, and it takes me to the main page for that particular resource. Here I get a summary, I get a subject classification, I even get a virtual shelf that shows me where it would be in the library. If I click on all copies, I also get the call number and all of the different schools that have the book. As you may have noticed, even when filtering just for books, the keyword search gave us a lot of results. So let's try option 2 now, the subject search. That source I selected, you may have noticed that under subjects it says classical mythology. That's one of the Dewey or Library of Congress subject headings that we would want to use to do a subject search. Back at the search main page, I go to Advanced Search. I change it to Subject, and then I enter Classical Mythology. While I still get quite a few results, it's still not as many as a keyword search, and they're all 100% focused on mythological subjects. But what if I still can't find what I'm looking for? Well then, ask for help from either me, Miss Mancini, or your teacher. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the library.